This short tutorial will show you just how easy the website system is. To get started, log into your website control panel and click on the Settings link. The first section is the banner section. This is where you select the banners that will display on your website. You can choose a different banner for your home page or your inside page. Start by browsing the available banners in the banner preview window here. You'll want to pick two banners that relate to the content of your website. Once you find the banners you want, remember the name and choose the banner from the banner selector here. Now select the banner you want to display in your inside pages here. You can update your banners at any time. The next section is your contact information. This information is presented on your contact form. In the color section is where you select the colors of your website. Each title on the left refers to a specific area of your website. To choose a color, simply click the Select a Color link. This will display a color palette. Now just click on any color that you want. If you find a color you really like, you can copy and paste from one box to another. When selecting colors, make sure you choose a color for each box. And if you want to have white as a color, make sure you select it as opposed to leaving the box blank. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors. You can change your website colors at any time. Once complete, save the settings page. You can view your website at any time by clicking the View My Website link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. But before we view our website, let's add some content. To do this, let's go to the Pages link and click the Add a Page button. This displays the Add a Page screen. Start by giving your page a title. Now let's add some content. The editor contains familiar commands like bold, italics, and text color. If you want to see what your content will look like, click the Preview button. And if you see something that isn't correct, you can click on the Normal button and edit your text again. Once you're happy with your content, just save the page. Once you save the page, your text is viewable to all your website visitors instantly. The page you just added now displays on your Pages screen. Now that we've successfully added a page, you can edit the page, view the page, or delete the page. Let's view the page. Clicking this link will launch your website. As you can tell, the banners and colors that we chose from the settings page are displaying, and the content we just added to our test page is displaying here. Now let's make a few changes. Keep in mind that you can change things on your website anytime. So let's change the background color from this gray to a light blue, change some text, and let's get a new banner. Let's go back to our control panel and let's start by editing our text. let's click on Pages, and then find the page we want to edit here, and click on the Edit link. This displays the current content on the page. In the content box, let's update the text. Once complete, save the page. To see the updated text, go back to your website and click your browser's reload or refresh button. As you can tell, our new text is now visible, and you can change any spelling mistakes at any time. Now let's change our background color and banner. To do this, go to the Settings page, and let's find a few banners with houses in them. Here's one that has a tall and a short version. Let's add the tall version to our home page and the short version to our inside pages. Once that's complete, let's choose a new background color. And don't forget to save your page. If you don't, your changes will not be visible on your website. Now let's go back to our website and click our refresh button again. And here's our new background color and our new banner. Now if you made a bad choice of banners or colors, don't worry. You can always go back to your control panel and update anything. And here's another useful feature, the contact page. The contact page of your website allows people to send you messages through your website. I'll make believe that I'm a visitor to this website, and I'll complete the contact form as a normal visitor would. Once I'm done, I'll click the Send button. The information that your website visitor just added gets safely stored in your control panel. To retrieve that information, go to your control panel and click on the Comments link. All comments submitted on your website are displayed here. Only you can see them. As you can tell, here is our sample comment. Click View to see the entire comment. You should print your comments so you have a hard copy of them. Our last topic is the invitation section. Depending on how many invitations you have, you can invite other people to have a website just like you. To do this, just enter their email address here and click the Invite link. They will instantly receive an email invitation. One of the benefits of inviting people is that at the bottom of every one of their web pages, there will be a link back to your website, which helps increase your website traffic. Now that you know how to customize your website with banners and colors, now you can begin adding content. Remember to do this, go to your Pages section and click Add a Page. If you ever need to review this video, just come back here and click play again. Thanks.